Graded Card Investor.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with GradedCardInvestor.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 15 highest selling sports cards from 1991. A lot of these cards are going to be rookie cards. However, there are a couple oddball cards in here I wanted to add to the list just because I thought that they were interesting. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this list. Starting off the list at number 15 is the 1991 KO Roy Jones Jr. rookie card number 116, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Population of just 33 of the less than 100 submitted to PSA, sold at auction on April 3rd for $611. Now, if you guys don't know, these cards, you can get them factory sealed sets on eBay right now for I think like around $50 a piece. Coming in at number 14 is a 1991 Upper Deck Final Edition Pedro Martinez rookie card number 2F, graded BGS 10, pristine condition. Current population of 80 with just one BGS 10 black label. Sold at auction on April 16th for $660. Coming in at number 13 is the 1991 Net Pro Tour Stars Pete Sampras rookie card number 7, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population, PSA population of just 97. Less than 350 of these cards have been submitted. This card sold at auction March 28th for $700. Number 12 is a 1991 OPC Premier Nicholas Lidstrom rookie card number 117, graded BGS 10, pristine condition. Current population of only 10, no BGS 10 black labels. Sold at auction March 26th for $720. Number 11, the 1991 Pro Set Bill Belichick rookie card number 126, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population of 247 with less than about 1,500 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on March 24th for $973. Bill Belichick in his Cleveland Browns uniform. Coming in at number 10 is the 1991 Hoops Superstars Michael Jordan number 13, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population of only 20 with less than 100 submitted. Sold at auction on June 5th for $998. Very cool looking Jordan photo in this card. Coming in at number 9 is the 1991 Topps Traded Tiffany Ivan Rodriguez rookie card number 101T, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population of just 175 with around 600 total cards submitted to PSA. Sold at auction on April 28th for $1,000. Coming in at number 8 is a 1991 Upper Deck Michael Jordan Baseball rookie card number SP1, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population of 1,480 with around 9,500 submitted to PSA. Sold at auction on March 31st for $1,221. Michael Jordan baseball card. Coming in at number 7 is a 1991 Net Pro Tour Stars Andre Agassi rookie card number 3, graded BGS 10, pristine condition. Current population of only 9 with just over 2,700 total cards submitted to Beckett. No BGS 10 black labels. Sold at auction on May 27th for $1,250. Coming in at number 6 is the 1991 Topps Traded Tiffany Jeff Bagwell rookie card number 4T, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current PSA 10 population of only 164 with only 565 cards submitted to PSA. Sold at auction on April 16th for $1,480. Coming in at number 5 is a 1991 action-packed 24-karat gold parallel Bo Jackson number 25G, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population of just 1, guys, and only 9 of these have been submitted to PSA. Sold at auction on April 23rd for $1,525. So this is currently a one of one. These 24 karat gold cards were inserted randomly in the 1991 action pack packs. The insert ratio is unknown right now, but you know, from what I've seen, they're pretty rare and pretty tough to find. So keep your eyes peeled for the 24 karat gold parallels. And it'll say in the bottom right corner of the card, 24 karat gold. Coming in at number 4 is the 1991 Cromy WCW Luchador trading game card, Stone Cold Steve Austin rookie card number G4, graded PSA 8, near mint to mint condition, current population of only 8 with just 4 9s, sold at auction on May 31st for $1,775. Very cool early wrestling cards. Part of a game from Argentina. I don't think there's an English version. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any information about this set. I tried to look and couldn't find much, but pretty insane. A PSA 8 sold for $1,775, and it's not even from a licensed trading card company. It's from a game. Coming in at number 3 is the 1991-92 Panini Zinedine Zidane rookie card number 43, graded BGS 7.5. Near mint to mint plus condition, sold at auction on May 6th for $2,650. Now, I couldn't find the population report in either PSA or BGS on this card. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know, what category this is. I've obviously looked at soccer, but nothing was pulling up for the 91 or 92 Panini football soccer card set, number 43, the specific card. But evidently, this is Zinedine's rookie card that you want to get. The value on this card is very high, even raw and ungraded. Coming in at number 2 is the 1991 Topps Tiffany Chipper Jones rookie card number 333, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 41 PSA 10s in existence, with around 745 being submitted to PSA. Sold at auction on April 16th for $4,617. Coming in at number 1, the most valuable, highest selling, recently sold sports card from 1991 is the 1991 Stadium Club Super Bowl 26 Brett Favre rookie card number 94, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition. Current population of just 67 PSA 10s, with only 205 of these cards submitted so far. They were handed out as a promotion. Topps did a promotion with the NFL and the Super Bowl 26 between the Bills and the Redskins. So the production of these cards is unknown, but I think people are speculating that there's less than 500 or something like that. Very rare. In order to distinguish the Super Bowl 26 card from the regular Stadium Club Brett Favre card, there's a watermark on the top right corner of the card. It's very hard to see in the scan. You have to be holding it in hand. Similar to the Beam Team cards, the members only, where it has a watermark on it. This one, it has it as a Super Bowl 26 stamp. Brett Favre, this I think is his most valuable rookie card, 1991 Stadium Club. Super Bowl 26. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is a parallel, even though they weren't inserted in the regular Stadium Club packs. They were only issued to fans that went to the Super Bowl 26 show. All right, guys, there you have it. The top 15 highest selling, recently sold sports cards from 1991. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell, that way you get notified. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, what video do you want to see me do next? Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.